Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove music from TikTok video. So if you open TikTok application and tap on the TikTok video that you have posted, and then over here, you can see this is the song that I have used for my video. Then if you tap on the three dots, you can see various options over here. Now over here, you'll see the option of edit post. So if you tap on it, you can edit your caption, select cover, add hashtags, mention, or tap on videos to see other various features over here that you can add to your video, but there's no option to remove music from this video that you have already posted. So let's tap on cancel and go back. Now let's tap on three dots again. Now, if you wish to, you can delete this video and then post another video without music on it. Now, if you have videos saved on draft folders on your TikTok account, you can remove music from there and then post it. However, once the video has already been posted on your TikTok profile, you won't be able to remove music from there. Now, in some cases, if the creator of that particular music deletes that music from TikTok, then it will automatically be removed from your TikTok video as well. So that's it for today, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.